I've been trying many shampoos and nothing is working out. I'm still having my hair fall consistent and hair thinning, then breakage and everything. So, anyways, and I'm somehow having some kind of dead cells in my scalp without doing even anything. Like I'm not even doing anything to my hair. Still, I'm having kind of dead cell type things. Not exactly dandruff. I would call it dandruff is different. I feel it's like my scalp is getting too much dry and everything. Even though I'm trying to hydrate myself, uh, from what I used to drink was like 200 or 500 ml in a day. Now I've come to a point where I drink around 2 to 3 liters or minimum 1.5 liters if I'm not if I'm busy, then yeah, 1.5 liters. If I'm not busy, then definitely 2 liters are for sure I complete it. I'm trying and I'm aiming for 3 to 4 liters. For now, 3 liters. So yeah, and yesterday I was just shopping on Instamart and I got this in Arata super shampoo with LRG9 isoflavonoid from soy protein, biotin, pea protein, vitamin E, and other great ingredients which are proven to reduce hair loss, improve shine and smoothness, improve hair softness, and restore pH balance. It says it is dermatologically tested, non-toxic, cruelty-free, and vegan, and plant-powered. 150 ml, and this costed me around 150, 190 or 199 something, around like in under 200 rupees. So I applied it here today, and yeah, I like the way it was smooth. The shampoo is smooth. It has beautiful fragrance, and it has beautiful fragrance, and I liked it. Like, I mean, based on my first wash, I did like the texture, the smoothness, the fragrance, and what else? Yeah, I feel my hairs are light and not too heavy, which it is usually is. Better than the one I was using, the anti hair fall shampoo. I thought like I had dandruff, but then I realized it's just my dead scalp. There's a slight difference between these two, by the way. So I was using this Scalp Pro, but I didn't see any changes in my hairs. Like ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं कि एंटी डैंड्रफ जैसा लगे or something. Now I've just so yeah, this was something I wanted to talk about. Repair years of hair damage with potent ingredients. Increases shine by 35.5%. I don't know. Increase smoothness by 54%. Again, I don't know. Increases strength by 14.5% in just one wash. I cannot guarantee this right now, but I loved it. I loved to use it. I loved when I washed my hair and my hairs were light and beautiful. I have a wavy hairs. I don't have a curvy or something. I have wavy hairs, so I love the waviness of my hairs. It just came back. I just felt like I had a haircut yesterday morning itself. I felt like that. And yeah, so if you see my hairs are like I've just tied it slightly. So I'll show you. You see, it looks good. It too looks good. Definitely yes. So yeah, rest I'll figure it out. I feel like I'm a तेरे नाम but ठीक है. So yeah, that's it. I'll definitely let you know how this works out. Till then, bye bye, Shabakher, take care, and good day.